Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix app update was not installing on your Android device. So as you can see guys, I have got one update from Snapchat. Just I am updating the app, but after updating the app update was not installing on my device. So as you can see guys, I am getting this type of error, can't install Snapchat. Same error if you are facing, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So here some instruction to fix this error. So as you can see, and if it still does not work, see common ways to fix this problem. Just tap on that link. Here you can get some instructions. As you can see in these instructions guys, it will saying to clear and free up some storage of your device. So fix this error guys, just you need to clear some storage on your phone. So just you need to uninstall some unused app, or you need to delete some images, videos from your phone to clear some storage. So after this guys, go to your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to apps and notifications and go to all apps. From here guys, you need to find out the Google Play services. Just open it, go to storage, clear the caches and storage of the Google Play services like this. After this guys, go back and here you need to find out Google Play Store. Just open it, open the storage, clear the caches and the storage of this app. After this guys, restart your device one time. After restarting, open the Google Play Store app once again and try to update the app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Now I am going to show you. So once again I am going to update my app. Now hopefully it will fix your problem 100%. So this is the easy and simple solution to fix this error. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.